Hell yeah.
So, before I start this video, we have some sad news. Oh, no. This is still a great clipper. Still probably one of the best clippers on the market. But, I dropped my babies. I dropped them. I chipped the tooth. The blade is off. Oh my God, look at it. If y'all can see it, look at it. Came in. Can you see it? Look at that. Oh my God. I dropped them. They're a little bit off now, but we're going to set them. We're going to get them back right. And I'm also probably going to buy a new pair just because I like the way they are. But either way, those are the Mythics. They are on sale on the Stylecraft website. If you want to save some money when you get them, use the discount code Cuts by Reggie. Cuts by Reggie. Try the Mythics and anything else that you see in this video, because Stylecraft/Gamma sent me a nice little care package. All right. So we're gonna see what's in these real quick. I kind of opened them already. We're gonna set this up here. All right. Before we get into that, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. You like the videos, You dislike them. There's a thumbs down button. All right. All that good stuff. So we're gonna dig in here. So they did send me the new the new magnetic charger cord. I made a review on the original ones, and I didn't really care for them too much. So we're gonna try out this new designs, stronger magnet. We're gonna get to those later. All right. They sent me slick foil for the. These are for the shavers. So I have the absolute zeros and the wireless prodigies. All right. I did a review on this originally. Y'all can go back and find that. I also did an unboxing. This is my first time having this, the absolute zero. So we're gonna give that a go. So I got me 2 new shavers. Can't be mad at that. Let's open this absolute zero real quick. If I can get this plastic off. Open this up real quick. Let's do an unboxing of this. The absolute zero. This is my first time holding this, having this one. This is more of a home usage almost, because it has that. Usually when it have that, it's like a home use. Get you a little extra trimming on the beard. A lot of barbers don't really need that on there, but not too bad. It's very lightweight. Let's see what you got. You got 120 minutes of runtime. Superior forge cutters. So, yeah, absolute zero. Not bad. This is their newest cutting blade. It's the slim deep blade that comes on the Mythic. It's a great cutting blade. Try that out. The slick foil. The slick foils they have a different design. I don't know if y'all can see the design as much, but they have a different design in the actual cutting foil. Supposed to help with cutting through. It'll give you a smoother cut. So we're gonna try those out on the new shavers that I have. We have the heat stroke. This is for beards. I put in some videos of me actually using this. I use this already in the shop. So with that being said, we're gonna figure out a giveaway with this. If I'm at 2,500 subscribers by the time this video dropped, then I've already started the giveaway. If I'm not, then be on the lookout for the information on the giveaway. Just follow me on Instagram at Cuts by Reggie. It'll have some information on there. This is a great tool. You got the auto shut off on here. You got the battery, the 1-year warranty. Got 3 heat strokes, LED, all that good stuff. Safety locking feature. This automatically cuts off after like 20 minutes of non-usage, which is great. Because you'll mess around and leave something going and you start smelling something. You turn around and everything. It's great to have that auto shut off. All right. And they sent the Bushwhacker. This is the Manscaped of style craft, right? See what we got here. Waterproof, very easy to use, portable, discreet, powerful cordless operation, two-sided guard attachments. Do it say how long this lasts? It just say very easy for the go. Don't nick the skin. 1 year warranty, rechargeable battery, 100% water resistant, ceramic blade. It got a white ceramic cutting blade with it. That's your Bushwhacker. That's for your body and all your naughty part. Your naughty, right? All right, let's do a quick unboxing on this. Get the flap, boom. Comes with the machine. Oh, that's a. In the picture and on the website, this thing's look big. It looks a good size, right? It's very tiny. It's very small. The Bushwhacker. Very portable. Quiet. Ooh. Already charged up, ready to go. Subscribe to me on OnlyFans and you'll see the video of me using this. It's on my OnlyFans though. But that's nice though. That's a nice little design. Very quiet. Comes with your guards. Comes with your guards, your oil, clean brush, just like a clipper would. Charging block. Got the cord in here somewhere, I guess. Yeah, it got the cord. It got them two-sided guards. I'm not really a fan of those when they like that, but you know, you might want to make sure you don't cut it too low. You know what I mean? So that's the Bushwhacker. I don't know how I'll review that. I probably won't, but there it goes. All right, last but not least is the Power Ride. This here is a new clipper from Gamma, which is actually a corded clipper, which I haven't seen a company release a corded clipper in a while. And I'm not even gonna, I'm gonna do a separate video unboxing this and, you know, getting the full experience of this, but we'll talk about that later. But just a little quick video, man, from, I got me some new products, man. You know, you never mad at getting new products. Who's gonna try the Bushwhacker? Try the Bushwhacker out and let me know how I feel. Pause. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike them, dislike them. This is just something quick. I'm gonna throw it out there. Bam. There you go, right? All right, subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with the unboxing of the Power Ride from Gamma.